everyone! Hello,
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 Pauline.
hello.
Oh,
So,
meron ka na namang ganyan.
yes, kasi kasama yun sa production when we enter. Kasi,
Things are gray here. Wala pa ulit araw ngayon, di ko
agree.
alam. Usually 'pag ganitong hapon maganda yung panahon, eh, but it's okay. It will pass.
In Iverdon naman, it's grayish but not foggy-ish. Not like for
Okay.
the past 5 days. So,
Mm.
feeling ko parang I would pick this over like fog all over
Fog,
the place.
covered with fog. Oo nga, eh. Parang kanina din yatang umaga hindi gano'n ka-foggy but just, the
Correct.
usual gray.
So anyway, we're here in our third episode. Dito lang sa... Uy,
Hoy! Anong ganap?
anong ganap?
Nakalimutan.
May gano'n. Uy, anong ganap?
Ang ganap.
Sa second episode, we talked about bakit tayo mahilig sa Bisaya, we call it tipon-tipon. Whenever you gather, we realize na sa discussion natin na this is a way of us Filipinos, probably us inviting warmth back, especially during this transition season. And by inviting warmth back, I'm talking about gathering of people, food,
Food,
videoke, because
yes.
these things remind us of home. Ano yung pinaka-favorite mo from that discussion?
I think, 3 words talaga 'di ba na naka-catch ng aking attention and parang, oo nga 'no. Well, number one, connection. Kasi I think Filipinos are really meant to be connected with other Filipinos, 'di ba? Andiyan yung ating concept kasi sa atin kasi yung konsepto ng family ay napakalawak and of course, to have a family, kailangan mo ng connection. Kaya nga we call ate, tita, tito, kuya, 'di ba? Kahit
Hmm,
hindi natin kakilala, kahit hindi talaga natin kapamilya, kasi considered
automatic
family
yun.
siya, 'di ba? So yung
Hmm,
connection, and why the connection? Well, in families, we feel safe in our families, 'di ba? Tapos andun yung warmth, nandun yung fun, and we all need that. I mean, nandito tayo, it's kahit gaano naman tayo katagal na dito sa Switzerland, there are things that would remain foreign to us, 'di ba? Na parang
hmm.
walang 100% siguro na fully integration and or talagang nandoon ka and part of it. Though that's possible to happen also. But if you've lived in another country or kung lumaki ka sa ibang bansa, hahanapin mo yung comfort that only this first home of yours can bring. Diba? So, connection, yung warmth, and yung familiarity, and all of this, it gives us a sense of confidence and also a sense of purpose.
Mm.
Kasi may mga activities tayong kini-create within our own groups and nandoon nafi-feel mo na may purpose ka para sa
Gusto ko yung minention mo na confidence. I actually never thought of that. Can you expound on that? Just like few lines lang. Kasi pwede naman ito i-discuss ng 2 hours, pero go.
For example, when you're doing things on your own kasi, well, wala kang validation if what you're doing is
Hmm.
correct or ito ba yung tamang paraan of doing these things. Though hindi mo yan kailangan sa lahat ng activities mo in life, di ba? If you have your own personal purpose and all, you don't always need to be validated by other people. Pero malaki ang tulong na meron kang
Human
grupo.
as we are. Yun ba
Yes.
yun?
Meron may sounding board ka, may masasabihan ka ng mga problema mo, and hindi lang naman yung ikaw ang nagbe-benefit na hinahanap mo, eh, kundi ikaw din. If you
Hmm,
belong to a group, if you're connected to people, kailangan ka din nila, eh, 'di ba?
that's
And
true.
na share mo din yung wisdom mo, yung
Hmm,
personal learning mo na nakuha mo from your daily life,
hmm,
and that makes you feel important. And if you feel
got it.
important, if you feel needed, you have the confidence.
Gusto
So
ko
when you
yan.
go back to yourself to your own purpose, to your own goals, personal goals, or to your family, mas, 'di ba, you have spring on your
Like
steps.
you feel fuller, right?
Yes. Tama.
Compared to, before joining these groups. Gusto ko yung sinabi mo about confidence and how the group can make you feel confident, because the way that I look at confidence, the way that you describe it now, made me realize na it's actually part of social grooming.
Yes.
Na we're sociable beings, number one. We thrive in a tribe. We cannot be in isolation for a long time because that's not good for us. So, we need this social grooming. And as a matter of fact, yung pagmamarites is actually part of social grooming. Kasi
Yes.
you share something that the two of you appreciate, and then
Exactly.
you bounce back and forth over that topic, and that kind of gives you the validation as what you mentioned na parang, katropa kami. We
Yes.
agree on this. So parang
Mhm.
it gives you that security, the net that you're part of a group, you're safe. It goes back to safety. So confidence to be able to survive, shine, thrive is technically parang social net mo siya. Na parang,
Yes.
okay, kailangan ko to para mabuhay. But I hope,
Exactly.
yeah, but we're trying our best not to marry test, but it's part of us, really. There's nothing, I
Mm.
don't look at marry testing as something parang to look down on, but for me, it's part of being human, right? It's part of being human. So, kung sinabi mo, Jen, last time na most of the activities that we do, we gather eh. We reach out for people. Hindi naman tayo pwede every week nagagather. Kung pwede lang naman yun, bakit hindi? Like, in the Philippines, right, we have a community. And then
Oo.
sometimes may isang bahay dun sa community na yun na pinupunta ng lahat. And dun nagagather. Dun
Mm.
nagiinuman. That's like a daily thing we can do back home, right?
Parang ibang group yata 'yan, te.
Sunog Baga Group. Sunog Baga Group. No, no. But really, growing up, that's the environment that I saw na may isang bahay dun na parang that house becomes the inuman house, that house becomes like the videokehan house. So talagang yung
Hangout. Hindi
blaring,
naman barangay hall 'yan.
baka nga, charot, hindi. Parang it's a private home. Private home by someone and everybody just goes there
May
because,
venue talaga, 'di ba? May
oo,
designated
may
venue,
designated venue.
kumbaga.
And if you look at, Switzerland, meron ding gano'n, eh. May mga tao ding
Mm.
mahilig talaga mag-mobilize, right?
Oo, tama.
But most of these things happen, like yung discussion natin episode 2, ano yun, eh, parang every month thing. If kayang
Mm.
every month, gawin natin every
Mm.
month. But
Or minsan nga
are.
mas malayo pa yung gaps, eh, kasi kung may
Oh,
kung mga
3 months.
nagtatrabaho, 'di ba? Tapos kung
Correct,
hindi rin naman magkakatabi yung mga bahay or hindi rin
correct.
magkakapit-bahay, yes.
So baka next meeting niyo 2037 na kasi hindi
O kaya yung mga
magkakaguma yung
tipong
schedule.
pag-birthday o kaya
Correct,
ano ba, 'pag Pasko, mga
right.
ganyan
So my
na
question to you
events.
now is, what are some of the things that we can do during autumn, during this transition phase na parang
Mm.
down tayo lahat, feel natin mas emotional tayo, and it's happening kahit sa Swiss people,
Yes.
it happens to them, and they know this what type of weather. So what are the things you think we can do that you can recommend that they can do during this transition season as
Madaming mga
under the
activities
theme of
'yan.
self-care,
Under the
gano'n.
theme of self-care. Well, madaming mga personal activities that you can create on your own, 'di ba, na hindi mo kailangan lumabas ng bahay or hindi mo kailangang gumastos ng malaki just to occupy yourself. Kapag ganyan naman kasi it's really important na you don't let your mind wander off na parang lalayo ng sobrang malayo. And usually when kapag ganyan, 'di ba, our minds have the tendency to go back to the past. Ang mind natin would always wander doon sa pinanggalingan na niya. Recreate the scenes and the dialogues, 'di ba? And if yun naman yung kailangan nating um, pigilan or iwasan na palagi nating balikan yung mga past events in our lives, lalo na kung hindi sila mga kasiyahan. So in order to do that, we have to occupy ourselves with the present moment. Ano yung meron ka? Ano yung hawak mo sa kamay mo ngayon? That will help you focus on very moment na meron ka sa harap mo.
Mm. Okay. Jen, I just wanna, um, piggyback on what you said about how the mind travels back in time, reminiscing this and that, and then nagra-rabbit hole na siya tapos
Yeah.
stuck ka na dun. Um, the main role of the mind really, from at least from what I know, is really to make us feel safe.
Yeah.
So when your mind starts to wander with these memories that's quite emotional at the same time comforting kasi meron mga ganun, di ba? Mga parang, na-miss ko si ganito. Tapos the following day,
Mm.
na-miss ko si ganito. So means to say, your mind is trying to help you buffer what's in front of you.
Mhm.
So for me, it's very biological, but we don't want to be managed by our minds. We have
Yes.
to manage the mind. That's
Mhm.
why Jenna will share her three things. Three favorite things by Oprah. Yun na yun.
Well, ano ba, siguro uunahin kong i-share yung about crafting, arts and crafts.
Yan na. Lalayo pa
It's
ba tayo,
really
girl?
yes, exactly. It's really proven therapeutic at maraming mga researches na nagpapatunay na nakakatulong siya. But may nabasa din ako na sinasabi nilang gano'n, mas maraming mga studies about people who are already diagnosed with mental health problems na ginamit yung art and craft as a form of therapy. And nag-improve may improvement sa kanilang conditions. Yee! But
Yes.
then, there's one time, I think in England, it was the CNN Health who published it, na parang sabi nilang ganun, but these studies are just for people who are already diagnosed with something, with a condition. And what
Mm-mm.
about the general population? Parang
Mm.
kung healthy ka at
Mm.
stable ka naman emotionally, mentally, may effect ba sa'yo yung pagka-craft? Yung gano'n na sabi nilang gano'n, may increase in happiness, ganyan, personal satisfaction, at saka may deeper or may more meaningful sense of life. Yung mga
Mm.
naturally healthy naman na
Mm.
nag-involve into arts and crafts.
So when you say arts and crafts, what examples can you cite?
Madami,
Yeah,
and
but
parang wala
example.
silang sinasabing particular na art or craft na siya talaga yung pinaka-therapeutic, parang gano'n. Walang contest sa gano'ng level.
Mm.
Siguro ako personally, I will define that as something that you will do with your hands.
Mm.
Wherein, oo, habang ginagawa mo yun, you need to pay attention, you need to
Yeah,
focus.
that's
At
true.
kumbaga parang yun talaga yung nakikita mo at the very moment while you're doing it. So, nandoon yung eye-hand coordination mo, hindi yung pwede ka
Yes, correct. Gumagala-gala.
or yung isip mo
Correct.
nandun din kasi kailangan
Mm.
yung attention, 'di ba? Or otherwise magugupit mo yung daliri
Yeah,
mo or what.
true.
But for me, that's art and
So parang
that's
you can also say na under arts and crafts in our language sa Pilipino, parang butingting-butingting.
butingting, oo, tama.
Okay.
Buti-butingtingin mo diyan,
Butingting-butingting.
oo. But again, hindi siya exclusive to like crochet, knitting, madaming
Yes.
klase. Whatever, minsan nga parang kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Ang problema din kasi masyado din I guess siyang na-commercialize lately na
Correct.
you need to be using certain tools, you need to be buying this certain
Oh,
brand to call it a craft, di ba? And it has to look this way to consider
yeah.
it as a craft and to even
Right.
consider it as therapeutic. Do what is pleasing for you, do what will occupy your mind
Mhm.
for that particular task. And
It's
that's
what you said, it's self-expression, right?
yes,
That's the bottom line of it. So for you, first, it's arts and crafts. I love
arts and crafts.
very
Yes,
easy. If meron kayong mga anak in school, you can borrow their crayons. Huwag ka nang
exactly.
bumili and
Wag
just do
na
your arts and
bumili, wag
crafts,
na
right?
magkarakarandash.
Wag na, wag na. Pero bet ko yun. Pero wag na.
Oo.
Walang ganda gastos, wag na. What else, Jen, apart from arts and crafts?
I guess movement, but just the easy kind of movement. Well, ikaw
Mm.
nag-gym ka, 'di ba?
Oh my
So,
God. As a
ibinuking.
weightlifter. As a weightlifter.
So ano 'to, Hidilyn Diaz na peg,
Yeah.
gano'n.
Yes. Hidilyn Diaz ang lola mo yan. Like really, I go to the gym. Good thing that you mentioned that. It took me it took me recently lang to really pay close attention and be serious in going to the gym at least 4 times a week. Dati parang, matagal ako member sa gym, pero dati parang banjing-banjing, parang, ay gusto kong mag-ano ngayon. Parang walang clear program. But for the past 6 months, meron ng clear program. So, Hulk Hogan na po tayo by next year. Yun yung goal.
Nagpo-protein shake ka na
Correct.
gano'n.
Yes, yung mga gano'n. But that's another topic. But for you, going back, movement, yung nasabi mo.
Movements, oo. Parang minsan kasi when you say physical exercises, ang nasa isip ay talaga naka-Lululemon ano ka, 'di ba,
Yung bongga yun.
outfit. naka-yoga pants, tas talaga but para sa akin movement. So, ibig sabihin niyan even just, doing simple household chores, may movement na kasama diyan, 'di ba? I mean, when
Hmm.
you're cooking, you're standing, and then kapag naglilinis ka ng bahay, that's good. And actually, that's good enough. Sabi nila if you have like 20 to 30 minutes, I think, of
Yes.
this movement, that's already beneficial for the body and, well, for the
Mm.
mind.
Mm.
Pero if you can, kung kaya naman ng iyong programa sa buhay na lumabas at, take a walk sa nature or kaya kahit sa city, if you live in the city, mag-window-window shopping ka dun, lakad lang, lakad ng
Hmm.
lakad. And
Gusto
well,
ko yung window shopping,
oo. Masuwerte
Perfect.
ka if you live by the forest. We live
Yeah.
just maybe 3 minutes from the forest, and I have a very long, how do you call it, walking itinerary.
Oval ba yan? Oval ba
Sort
'to?
of, oo,
Okay.
parang one round, that's
Oo.
already what, 5 kilometers I think for me.
That's good.
So, So mga ganyan. And then I think this one you don't need to do
Hmm.
alone, 'di ba? If may kapitbahay ka na Pilipina din ta's you have the time on
Tsikahin mo na
weekends for
siya.
exactly. So,
Mm.
ganyan, lakad-lakad kayo, masaya yun. And I know people also organize like autumn hike. Maganda
Mhm.
kasi 'di ba, ang ganda-ganda ng forest during
Kung walang fog, yes. Talagang talagang may vendetta ako against
may
the
puot
fog.
ka sa
May
fog
puot ako
ano.
sa fog, 5 days na 'to, ano na? Ano na girl, ano na fog? So okay, so physical movement, I just wanna add to like for physical movement, what I learned is so long as the physical movement you're doing elevates your heart rate,
Mhm.
nagbabago, like may feel mo talagang may dug, dug, dug. Kasi you can have physical movement naman na parang wala lang, kalma.
Oo, oo.
So that might not really help. But what can really help is kapag nag-augment yung heart rate mo. So from a
Mm.
simple walking, you might want to elevate it if you want to
Brisk.
try to brisk walking. Sabi nga
Mm.
ng friend ko, breast walking. Sabi ko,
Brisk.
girl, no, brisk walking siya. Katakot-takot naman lumalakad yung boobs. But anyway, brisk walking, you can brisk walk and then eventually you can sprint a bit if you want to sprint. Yung mga ganun-ganun. Try to experiment, but
Yes.
play with your heart rate.
Mhm.
And so long as you're safe. Kasi if may problems ka din sa puso mo, then syempre pag-ingatan mo rin yun, di ba?
Oo.
But try to elevate it as
Yoga, simple stretches. Yung yoga
yes.
kasi medyo na ano na din siya, 'di ba, parang na-commercialize na rin siya na you have to do this poses to call it a yoga. But actually,
Yeah.
yung deeper, more spiritual meaning of yoga is not exactly like that.
Siyempre dati we have time, right? And most of us
Mm.
naman are confined at home. So merong
Yeah, it
sinusunod
was also
tayong like
during this time na kinarir ko ding mag-yoga.
ano yung favorite mo about yoga?
At that time, nafi-feel ko din that my personal space, napu-push din siya larger. Na
Hmm.
kasi when you're, well, you try to observe for yourself, 'di ba, that when you're going through something, ang liit nung space na ino-occupy mo,
Gumaganon talaga.
nagshi-shrink, so you don't even really stretch your legs, stretch your arms. Kahit pa
Totoo
exactly
yun.
vertical or horizontal yung space mo, hindi ka
Mm.
talaga naggaganyan, 'di ba? So
Mm.
yoga or even any stretching activities,
Mm.
ginagawa niya yan sa'yo, parang it forces you to, "Hey, you have this space,
Mm.
these are all yours, occupy
Mm.
it." Parang gano'n.
Gusto ko yan. I mean, I loved it. I think one thing that I never realized that I can do because when I started doing yoga, parang alam mo
Mm.
yung hindi mo ka naman conscious sa binabantayan mo yun, but I realize na nung bago pa, talagang yung breathing ko at saka yung poses ko, hindi taga-coordinated. And I just
Oo.
couldn't be na talagang merong mga poses na tapos yung galaw mo mahina mo.
Or kaya in the
'Di ba?
middle of your stretch,
Correct.
ano ka, nag-e-exhale ka na, tapos, "Ay,
Nag-e-exhale.
kapos." "Ay,
Hindi.
kapos."
Later
Kinupos
on,
ulit.
I realized, Jen, na yung body mo will learn to harmonize it. So
Mm.
talagang even even my breathing adapted to the movement
Yes.
that I was making or vice versa. Talagang nagsisync sila even without me pushing them to sync. But that I only realized that after doing the similar pose for a long time, like several times talaga. And sabi ko, "Ay, ito pala yun."
'Di ba?
Because
Parang you're really also well, again, the word flow.
yes.
Talagang yung movement mo from one pose to another, hindi na lang siya yung parang, "Okey, ay gano'n naman."
Oh, ganda
At
naman. Hindi,
talagang
may
may
ano talaga siya, may
flow talaga
grace.
siya, 'di parang parang liquid ka na the way
Yes,
you
and may
move.
grace na talaga yung movements mo.
Mm.
Even if hindi ka ballet dancer, may grace talaga yung transitions ng movements mo. So now that whenever I speak about breathing, kasi run breathing exercises in my workshops, right? Alam ko yung alam ko talaga deep inside what it meant by
Mhm.
synchronizing and making sure that you're breathing well.
Mhm.
Kasi na-learn ko from yoga. My God,
Oo.
yoga tayo next time, girl. New
Sure.
level, new
Oo,
level.
parang ano, tas you're talagang nararamdaman ng buong katawan mo yung hininga mo 'no? When you breathe
Mm.
in talaga, tas when you breathe out, all out, talagang nare-relax.
And one thing that I like about it is the clearing that happens in your
My
head.
head.
It's really that,
Oo.
the clearing that happens in your head.
Ang dami in YouTube, 'di ba? Kung ano yung
Yeah.
you try, you watch first, tapos you
I
challenge yourself
follow.
kung kaya ko ba itong movement na ito.
Yeah,
And you try. If it doesn't work for you, then hanap ka na naman ng
right, right.
another video.
What's your third? A little
Third
bit
would be
different.
riding with the Huga concept, 'di ba? This is a bit foreign
Mm,
already. But I think,
correct.
okay, so let's just put it like this. Let's not put a term to it, maybe introduce the term, but just in passing.
But
I think it's
talagang may goal.
more, it's still about your personal space. And I think it even speak about connecting with people also. But,
Mm,
more inside. Kasi I think ang prime time ng huga is during cold season, during
yes.
winter. But anyway, it's a Nordic concept it's a Danish word actually, though Swedish din ba siya? I'm not so sure. Uh, it just means, informal gathering with people, sort of
Mhm.
spontaneous maybe in their context. And it also even involves food, sabi, but very simple ones like hot chocolate, coffee
Mhm.
maybe, or tea, but just being together and
Mhm.
not even about, discussing things or
Mm.
being funny at all. I think it's really just about sitting side
Yeah.
by side and enjoying something.
I think one
And
thing that stood out to me about the practice here in Huga, parang kasi siyang when I look at pictures of like what is Huga, parang Nordic minimalist yung feel na parang
oo.
beige lahat yung sa kanape, and then you have like candles everywhere. And then you imagine yourself with friends enjoying a cup of tea, tapos merong I don't know like cookies, etc. Parang feeling ko parang, okay, these are elements, right? But I think
Mhm.
the actual feel is what huga is, na parang yung feeling of coziness,
Yes.
yung feeling na medyo homey yung feeling, warm yung feeling, fuzzy yung feeling, which I think maganda yung concept na these elements around you helps, right?
Mhm.
Like ano yung just because Jen, you're more into the bricolage, you know this world. Like yung texture.
Yeah. Well, sabi kasi nila, it's when you incorporate yung mga natural elements then from outside, you bring it inside your home just to
Mm,
have a feel of, still being outside. Kasi nga, yung northern cold ay talagang mas mahaba yung nights nila compared
correct.
sa atin, 'di ba? Sa atin parang medyo maswerte pa tayo na may liwanag pa tayong nakikita
Mm,
even during winter season. But sa kanila talagang mahaba. So what they do is parang very natural well, binabago yung design ng interiors. Well, siguro hindi naman bonggang pagbabago, 'di ba? But again, you bring in candles, yung mga makakapag-create ng warm na ambience sa bahay mo. And then kung may mga siguro mga driftwood kind of, decors, 'di ba sa atin dito mahilig ding gumawa ng mga ref
Mhm,
during, autumn and Christmas,
mhm,
'di ba? Actually,
mhm,
may mga gatherings for
mhm,
that na in the village or in your commune maybe, nagga-gather yung mga tao to create the ref. And
hmm,
it's this kind of decorations na
hmm.
nakakapag-foster. And then I think yung idea of soft and smooth kind of mga throw pillows, mga blankets,
Hmm.
I think originally it's also still because of nature, eh, na kasi dati 'di ba, nung hindi pa naman controversial yung mga fur, paggamit ng mga animal furs sa
Yes.
sa
That's what we
bahay,
use, right? To
oo.
keep ourselves warm.
Exactly, kasi nagbibigay talaga siya ng warmth, natural warmers and, malambot at, how do you call that? Makinis ba? Smooth? Yeah, I think so.
Yes, smooth. Na
Mm,
parang nagsa-slide yung ano mo, yung finger
oo.
when you
As
run it on it, right? So,
Oo. Tapos
super
parang feeling mo ang lambot din nung balat mo, 'di ba? Skin mo.
ibang
Napunta na.
usapan na yun. Budol na yun from time to time, especially during winter, budol na siya.
Anyway, in the psychology of all of these designs kasi parang 'pag soft yung nasa environment mo, you feel safe, you feel
Hmm,
secure. Kasi come
mm.
to think of it, when you decorate your child's, nursery or bedroom, actually you try to avoid hanging yung mga frames na may sharp edges or may
Kinda rounded
glass,
ano,
'di ba?
yung ano,
Oo,
edges.
bini-baby-proof mo nga 'yan, eh. So, para safe yung bata, may maglaglagan man diyan, they will
Mhm,
not break and
hmm,
this kind of things. That's why mga soft
hmm.
yung cushions and all. So, same for us, adults. Kasi talaga sigurong may inner child in us, 'di ba, who goes back to that feeling and idea of safety kapag malambot yung environment mo and
Hmm.
warm.
So, huga it is,
At ikaw